In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make some text bigger in CapCut. First, open CapCut and load the project you're working on, or create a new one and drop in your footage so you can see the text in context. You'll be looking at the timeline at the bottom and the preview in the center, with tools along the side or top depending on your device. Next, click on Text to add a text layer. In most versions, you'll see an Add Text or Default Text option. This places a new text box on the preview and a text clip on the timeline so you can move and trim it later. Now type your text. Keep it concise and break lines where you want emphasis. You can drag the text box to reposition it and use the handles to set the box width, which affects how your lines wrap. If the text clip is too short or long, trim it on the timeline so it appears exactly when you need it. Before we make certain words bigger, add your base style so everything matches. Choose your font and weight, pick a color, and consider a stroke, shadow, or background if you need contrast. This is also a great time to set alignment and line spacing so the layout looks clean. Setting these choices first keeps the bigger words consistent with the rest of the design. With your base look set, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to emphasize. Just double-click into the text box and drag across the characters you want. You should see the selection highlighted. This selection tells CapCut to apply the next change only to the chosen text, not to the entire layer. Finally, adjust the font size for that selection. Use the size slider or type a value in the size field. As you increase the number, only the highlighted text grows while the rest stays the same. If the larger word pushes the line too far, you can slightly widen the text box or adjust tracking and line spacing to maintain a balanced layout. For subtle emphasis, a modest increase often looks more professional than a huge jump. If you accidentally resize the whole text layer by dragging the corner of the box, undo and return to the size control instead, since the box handle scales everything. Play back your clip in the preview to check readability and timing, and tweak as needed. That's it. You've made selected text bigger in CapCut while keeping your design neat and consistent.